In this video, we'll talk about how you can maintain your weight so you'll never regain the weight ever again. The majority of people who lose weight gain it back, and only 20% of people keep it off. Why is that? How are they so successful? Well, the good news is, don't let this discourage you. I want to encourage you with my 5 proven steps that I've been doing for 2 decades to keep the weight off forever. Maintaining weight takes a different approach, a different direction to losing weight, but we're not going to do any big changes. And it's easier when you're following the advice from people who have been there and kept the weight off for years, even for decades. Hi, I'm Sylvester the Weight Loss King, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome to all the new people here today. This channel is all about you, me helping you lose weight for the very last time and saying no to weight regain. I lost 80 kilos 18 years ago, and it took me 18 months to lose my weight. So welcome to the channel, and this is all about losing weight for the very last and final time. Goodbye weight and hello life. Maintaining a healthy weight requires a balance, living in between, taking the approach of what you've been eating and how you've been moving, how you've been thinking, and just continue what you have been doing. This can look different for everyone, so just keep on doing what you're doing. When it comes to the maintenance, it should be just a straight curve with no transition. This is a good time just to reflect back on your habits you've built up, and just keep on learning and trying new things along the way, but don't make any drastic changes to what you are doing because it's working. So here are my 5 proven steps on how you can maintain the weight and keep it off for the rest of your life. Now, number 1 is to stick to what you were doing. It's working, it's proven, you're being consistent, so just keep on what you're doing and don't make any big changes, and don't be one to fall into the trap of detouring into any crazy way or fad diet. Track your food daily, keep a log, it's all you have to do. Number 2, stick to your plan all week long, including the weekends. Don't get into habit to having a good week and then binging on the weekend. It might be okay for the first few times, but you will develop these bad habits, and then you get these patterns, and guess what? You'll go back to your word before. Don't do this. Be consistent all the time, because guess what? You're loving your new lifestyle, aren't you? 3, there'll be some setbacks along the way, and this is inevitable when it comes to weight loss maintenance. It's happened to me where I've craved and I've gave in and I've skipped a workout. It's not the end of the world. You don't have to throw the towel in. It's all a part of the process. Take it from me, from someone who's kept the weight off for 2 decades. Okay, just to overcome any setbacks, just make sure you plan so that way you can get back on track. Number 4, I weigh myself weekly. It works for me. It's up to you. It's personal how you do it. I do this to keep my finger on the pulse, and if I find myself like 3 or 4 kilos heavier, then I'll put an action plan in to get together, and this way it prevents weight regain on a big scale. It's not just about weighing yourself as important. It's about having a plan, what to do if the weight exceeds where you want to be. In other words, you need to know how to take action promptly to see those numbers go back down. Okay, that's all you have to do. Go through your journal. My final one, continue to challenge yourself. Have a new goal, have a new dream. You have mastered one of the biggest, toughest challenges, and that was to lose all your weight. Enjoy your life. Put your body to the test. Have some short-term, long-term goals. This will help you keep your confidence up. And weight loss doesn't have to start in finishing date. You just keep on going the way you're going, and don't go to diets, because diets don't work. They're destructive, they're dangerous, they're disillusional, they just a waste of time, and you have now found a lifestyle that suits for you. And that is what you need to keep on doing. When it comes to avoiding any weight gain, don't be restrictive. Be you, no rules, and just trust the process. And you'll find that those habits that you have formed will keep on going throughout your whole life. And this is the whole idea. When you lose weight slowly, your mind, your body, everything, sleeping, it all works in together. Your desire to maintain your weight must be driven by something more deeper. So I have found that when I align myself with my internal values, and this sometimes takes time to really think about this, right? So you need to tie your weight in with this. So for example, you want to be around to walk with the kids, or the grandkids, do a marathon, do rock climbing, whatever the case may be. It's something that you've always wanted to do. So tie it in. Now that you lost the weight, fantastic. Live your best life, enjoy your lifestyle, and just keep on doing what you're doing, because you deserve to be where you are right single now. Okay, so I'm very proud of you. I will encourage you to help other people out there and just do your best. Now, if you have found this video has inspired you and empowered you and you like it, please consider liking and subscribing this video. If you're after a new journal, like a planner, I've got one which you can download, which is up here. It has recipes, you can log in your food, how you're moving, how you're thinking, and set brand new goals and keep on challenging yourself. I get it. When you're losing weight, it's fun. You're getting results, people making compliments, but maintenance sometimes can be a little bit more boring. So my substitute for that is keep on challenging yourself with brand new goals and keep on going. Okay, that's all you really have to do. I'm Sylvester, the Weight Loss King, and congratulations once again. You have found a lifestyle that you can adapt to, that you love, and you can do forever. Keep an eye out for my next video. I'm going to give the weight loss industry a hard time and tell the whole world why diets don't work. Talk to you soon.